sharing my screen. Screen is visible.
Yes, sir, I can see, sir.
So yesterday, what we discussed, we had a discussion on uh, get window handle and get window handle. So the get window handle always it will return a unique value that is a string, and the get window handles will return always a set of values. So based on their ID, we are going to be performing some operations to switching with the window. How do we switch from one window to another window? By using a switch to dot window method where you can pass an argument for type window ID. So next we move on the web tables. Web tables basically have a list of or a set of values. Those we are going to be retrieving. So we are making some operations on the web table, like counting the rows in the table, counting columns for the table, getting the data and validating the data in the table. So let me go to example. Basically, so I'm working on this. You can take this URL. So here already I have opened it. So this is basically the table. Okay, it have a set of columns as well as a rows. These values I need to be verify how many total columns are there. Okay, how many rows are there. So here we should be go for some operations. Basically, what we have to do, we can switch with this URL, and later what I'm doing, I'm maximizing uh, the page. Next, I'm getting a number of columns. When I say the number of columns, is the XPath for the column. Let me copy this and let me show this value. Right click, inspect. Okay, this is our web column. So if I say here, it will give the list of headers. Some list of headers. So this one, first we need it. So it will give the list of the column headers, and it will give the list of rows. So let me run this application using the browser, maximizing, and it will give the list of values. Okay, list of column in the table, list of rows in the table. So if you want to take one more example, let me show you. Let's go to we go to this page. Okay, here, right? I need to log in. Um, okay, all right. So here, format. Okay, on this. Is a capital, right? First, I need to be enter the name and password. So here, here's the table. open is equal. This is a table. This table I need to be take the table columns. So here I inspect all the tables. So that's the table. Okay. So what we need to do? We need to be go for this export. Right click, copy, export. Let me try with this. Only one table it is taking. If I remove this, all the table values it is. Let me go to here. Write a one more table. Right click, new, take a class. Just go. Write the main method. Here I need to take a common things. Here I can do and in this the URL is we specify the URL. We launch this first. Right click and add Java application. Instead of asking with the username password. So what I need to do, I need to take this I need to do. This I need to be first taken. It will be open. Next, what I need to do, I need to pass the username password, right? So here, go to inspect the element, right click, copy export. Here, driver dot find element, right dot export. Here I am passing in. So I am going to store this value into one web element, that is user name. I can create one web element. So once this web element is found, then I need to do what? I need to send the value. And is username I need to be sent here. What is the username? The name is admin. Being sending the username. Same thing. I need to do what? I need to go for right click, inspect. This is the password. Copy the export. And here I need to say driver dot find element by dot export. So here I'm giving an but I'm storing this export into what? Password. So here I need to create one web element. In this password, what I need to do, I need to pass the password. So here I'm saying password dot send keys. What is the password here? Password is admin123. Okay. Paste it. I need to click on login. Done. So here again I'm taking this one of this. Inspect online. Button. Okay. This one. Go to here. Driver dot find element. By dot here. Passing the export. into one element or directory. If you want to check if that is not the correct way, but element. We're getting a login. So what we need to do, we go for click on the login button. It will be click next. I need to go to this page. Okay. Once it will be queue, admin here, admin 123. Once we log in, and it will go to the page. Okay. So here, so I need to be click on view request. Okay. There you are getting this one. Okay. So now what I need to do, I need to go for this. Okay. Next one. Need to go for leave request, right? So here again, driver dot find element I dot text bar. So here I'm storing text bar one element, that is leave request. Okay. Here I'm storing this leave request. Here okay, I call what? Wait, I need to go for what I need to do. I need to get the all the table values, right? What are the table values? These are all the table values. So here I need to take all the values. Here it will take all these things. So here I'm copying the export. I'm going to be the export. Okay, now here what I need to do is I'm leaving div. It will take all the values. Now I can copy this export. Next I need to be store into driver dot find elements dot export. So here I'm passing it export because it will give a list of elements. I'm storing here table. Okay. I can store into one variable that is the list of web elements. I need to be check the size of the element. So here I'm saying table headers dot it will return a list of table headers. Okay, let me here what I'm doing. Getting a table header. Okay, that value and now wait, try to run once. I will remove this again. Can use first. This one. I this one. Wait, I need to write some. I keep also. Maybe it is confusing. This F application. It, it, uh, how do we write an export for this? Right click, inspect, I guess input, it, okay. along. This time. Is correct. Why it is not working? It is okay. Whenever we are working directly, so we are not giving any intervals because once the application will be loaded, it should take some time to load all the web element, all structure into the page. So that's what we are getting. So no such element exception. So let me think this. It's going to also here and speed on the application. Taking if you're not working, should pop. Application. It is click. I need to get this values. Is 0. A, B, plus, I, Okay. That is complete line. Right? I want to fetch all the details. I need to do. I go for use for each also. I can use for index also. So let me say here for each method paper headers. Um, now I need to print all the header names. What I need to do, I can say a dot save it in the application, close the previous one, unless Java application. This is what, how do we get the table? Yes. So I want to count the column. What I need to do is to these value I need to be pasted how many rows are there. These are the column, right? So if I want to go for this is the row, these value we are getting. But I need to be get all the table value. This is complete row. Okay, in that I have a different values. In that I have what answers. So if I say here, I say this is a header row group. Full is what table. I take complete table. First, what I need to do, copy first table. If I say table, all the data it is getting. Always it is in the form of row as well as this is the div. As I am writing the table, complete table I am getting. Within that table, I have a div, complete headers. Okay. Where I'm getting, when I say this, first I need this div slash it tables we are getting. But I need within the table, I have to be verify the columns. So now first that div, again I have a div class, again we have a div. So now within that div, I have what this column values. Okay. Slash here it will giving complete data, but I need only these things. It will give in PDTR. that table we need to build it. Next, value date. I let me change this expert what it is giving. Only one. What? Dash. So one view of two it's not getting right. If I say here on data it is getting. If I say here view of one. Okay, I'm getting these values. And below so here in case I'm making one, it will give the row wise. I remove, will not give anything. But I go for if I make two, your second row data. If I make three, third row data. Okay, like this it will be given. Now if I make changes here, one, two, I think it is given. But what I need a complete row data, so then I can make. If I give one, only it will give first row details. So let me copy get first column data. Let me go to here. I will dot finds dot and I will dot find elements. Three dot. I'm storing this expert. So get this element by using for loop can fetch all the details. Here I'm writing first data and here I'm learn. Here I'm saying data. I need to return the element. Now we can print it. Search and data. Save it and rerun. Calculate first one. With earlier I US personal. This is the first row. It sum up. This is the way you should be work on the table. It is complicated what I am explaining, but you should practice, you will get right. So let me take another example. That's a very easy. This one. Close this. Always tables will give uh, row and column. Guys, now me make it. Basically, once you hit with this, you will get the table. So in that table, you need to get all the details. The table, what you need to do. Let me take an example. It is simple. First, new the class test. Write a main method. Here the common things here for me. It is this. The URL I need to be changed. This here. Copy the URL. Now here, basically what happened, this is a static table. It's not a dynamic. Okay. Here, the company headers you are getting. So classes like customer is ID. And when I use PR, here in the same these things. When I say PR, within that we have a TD. Okay. All these have what? Plus cell values. Now, can you unmute it? Hello?
Yes, sir. It's a hello.
Yeah, you can unmute.
Okay, sir.
So here what? We have a table. This is the simple table structure. We have a company names, contact, and a country. So this, how do we access the data? As I told you, when I say the table should have a tag name as table, and within that we have a T body. Within that T body, we have a TR and a TH. Okay, and TR handles what? Only the table header. These are all what headers we are getting. Now in the TR, all the data is there. Within that TR, that is row, and the cell value we are storing into the TD. So let's take this. Okay, first we are hitting this page, and I need to this header values. What I need to do, I need to write a export this. Already we have a ID. Here I'm taking copy for slash table, and the ID is type customer. This is a table. In this table, we have what? T body. Within the T body, we have what? TR. Only it will give columns. Right. All the rows, it will be given the date. Okay, if I say first one, it will give only the first. So that we have what? TH. Only we are getting T. This table header we are getting, right? So let me the values are from the header. Second copy. Here we take count of that's in the table. So what I have to do, driver dot find elements, find elements by dot x path. So here I'm providing a given the x path. I'm storing into the variables. People figures. The variable table. I can create one. So after that, what we need to do, I need to do the size of this table headers. Okay. Here I'm saying count I need to do, we need to say here table headers dot size. Do this, run the application. It should give the size of the headers or counting the headers. This total count of table headers are 3. If you want to fetch all the details, what I need to do, you can go for iterator also you can do, as well as for each also you can do. So if you want to iterate, what you need to do, iterator equal to I need to do equal headers. This is a list, right? Need to be called